She used to look at you different. You'll remember it. That look in her eyes, respect, admiration, like you were someone who mattered, like your words had weight, like your presence meant something. Now that look is gone, and you feel it every day. The way she talks to you, the way she dismisses what you say, the way she looks at you like you're not the man she thought you were. Something changed, and you don't know when it happened. You don't know what you did. You just know that the woman who used to respect you doesn't anymore. I need you to hear something. This isn't about her being cruel. This isn't about her changing. This is about something you did, not intentionally, not maliciously, but consistently. You did things that killed her respect, and you didn't even know you were doing them. Let me show you, so you can stop, so you can rebuild, so you can become the man she respects again. The first thing that killed her respect, you stopped leading. In the beginning you made decisions. You had direction. You knew where you were going and you took her with you. She didn't have to think. She didn't have to plan. She just followed your lead. Then somewhere along the way you stopped. You started asking her what she wanted all the time. You started putting every decision in her hands. You started saying, I don't know. What do you think? Whatever you want. You thought you were being considerate. You were being weak. Women don't respect men who can't lead. They don't respect men who need them to make every decision. They don't respect men who have no direction. She wanted a captain. You became a passenger. And passengers don't get respect. They get tolerated. The second thing, you complained without acting. You started venting to her about work, about life, about problems, about everything that was hard. You thought she was your safe space. You thought sharing your struggles would bring you closer, but you didn't act on any of it. You just complained, again and again. The same problems, the same venting, the same inaction. She watched you complain about things you never fixed. She watched you talk about changes you never made. She watched you become a man of words instead of action, and her respect died a little more each time. Men who complain without acting are boys. Boys don't get respect from women. They get mothered, and you can't respect someone you mother. The third thing, you let yourself go. You stopped working out. You stopped caring about how you looked. You stopped being the man she was first attracted to. You got comfortable. You thought she loved you for you, and she does. But attraction and respect are connected. When she sees you letting yourself go, she sees a man who doesn't respect himself. And if you don't respect yourself, why should she? This isn't about vanity. This is about discipline. A man who maintains himself is a man who has standards. A man who lets himself go is a man who's given up. She's watching. She's always watching. And what she sees is a man who stopped trying. The fourth thing, you prioritized her over yourself. You thought putting her first was love. It's not. It's submission. You cancelled your plans for her. You abandoned your friends for her. You gave up your hobbies for her. You made her your whole world. And she resented you for it. Because a man whose whole world is a woman is a man with no world. He's empty. He's dependent. He's weak. She wanted a man with a life, a man with purpose, a man with things that matter beyond her. You gave that up, and he gave up her respect with it. The fifth thing, he stopped having boundaries. He pushed, and you gave in. She tested, and you folded. She crossed lines, and you let her. Every time you allowed disrespect, you taught her that disrespect in you was okay. Every time you avoided conflict to keep the peace, you showed her your peace was more important than your dignity. Every time you let her treat you less than you deserved, you confirmed that's what you deserve. Boundaries aren't mean. Boundaries are respect. A man without boundaries is a man without self-respect, and women cannot respect men who don't respect themselves. Here's what I need you to understand. She didn't wake up one day and decide to stop respecting you. It happened slowly, decision by decision, compromise by compromise, weakness by weakness. He had trained her to lose respect, not with one big moment, with 1,000 small ones. But here's the good news. What was trained can be retrained. What was lost can be rebuilt. What died can be resurrected. Start leading again. Make decisions. Have direction. Stop asking permission to be a man. Stop complaining without acting. Either fix the problem or stop talking about it. Words without action are just noise. Take care of yourself. Get back in shape. Not for her, for you. But understand that discipline is visible, and visible discipline commands respect. Get your own life back. Rebuild friendships. Return to hobbies. Have a world outside of her. A man with a full life is a man worth respecting. Enforce boundaries. The next time she crosses a line, hold it. The next time she disrespects you, address it. The next time she tests you, pass. She lost respect for you. That's real. That happened, but you're not dead, and respect can be rebuilt. It starts with you respecting yourself again. Do that. Everything else follows. She's watching. Show her someone worth respecting. That man is still in you. Let him out.